Yo, Capo fans, we were challenged to do a coffee bean chew. I think that's what we would call it. Red Truck, thank you for challenging us. Strange challenge, but game on, baby. Let's see if we can do this. So first of all, to quickly measure out the beans. Hold this. Okay, so it's a 0 there. We pop the beans. 5 grams. Just hold it. And the other one. 5.1 grams. Excellent. So then we will start the clock. Now I will somewhat pump a little timer down here on the screen. Let's put it in here. Bam! Right there. Fantastic. And then you guys can see how we go. So, ready, steady, go.
How will you do this? I don't get this. This is not good. This is bad. How does he use it?
Dark roast. Ooh. So guys, eating coffee beans is good for your intestines. Trying the coffee bean challenge. Just getting them from all the spaces. Cold. 221. I took you by 2 seconds, buddy. So I'm gonna challenge 2 more guys. And I'm guessing he didn't make it. Woo. That is some strong coffee beans, man. Woo. Okay, so I challenge Shawn Cloete. 5 grams of coffee beans, boy. Let's see how quick you can get it up. And Shannon, I'm going to challenge you. And you know what? I'm going to challenge one more guy. Wayne Burrows, take this, boy. Show us how it's done. Red Truck Roasteries, thank you for the challenge. Let's start something. I challenge all Capo fans. Come to the shop. We'll weigh out the beans for you. And let's see if you can join into this challenge. You want to challenge anybody? He's not even finished yet. Esther.
I'll go.
Okay. So let's just quickly get this up. Woo. Goodness gracious.
I'm gonna come back.
I'm gonna come back. Let's just save this. Okay, so we did a 5 grams coffee bean chow in 2 minutes 21 seconds, and Jonathan is challenging Aga, so Agnieszka and Esther. You guys are up. Okay, so he just challenged his 2 international international friends.
You know what? Speak away.
One more. Michalis, I'll pop yours on. You're also challenged. 5 grams of coffee beans. Chow it as fast as you can. See you guys later.
Bye.